Introducing the MX watertight floor box, engineered with an IP-rated water resistance and a seamless flush mounting system. To begin installation, remove the temporary cover and attach the 4 screws at each corner of the floor box. Insert the box into the cutout and assemble the internal components. Unscrew the screws on both sides to release the socket holder, then remove it into position. Install the sockets, connect the wiring, then secure the socket holder by tightening both side screws. And fix the box cap with 4 screws on each side. Then set it flush into the carpet. Comes with an IP rating for water and dust resistance, crafted from premium stainless steel for maximum durability. Get seamless access to power straight from the floor. Comes with customization.